Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And this is just a really quick update about what's going on with my hair. So you all know that I have been dealing with some hair damage that was due to hard water in my house. I have posted several videos on what I have been doing. The next step is to go into protective style. So that's what I am doing now. This hair, this is a wig, so yes, this is a protective style, but I actually recorded a style that I got done recently, but I forgot to do the intro. So this is just a quick intro to that particular hairstyle. I'm about to show it to you now. But protective styles, I'm just giving my hair a break. My hair is feeling great. It is flourishing. But just for a few months, I'm just leaving it alone and I'm rocking protective style. So going into the hair salon so that you can see this really quick and easy style. Hey guys, so again, I'm in the hair salon and I am getting this protective style it's just something simple, just 4 or 5 flat twists, but I want the twist to stay a little bit longer. So my stylist, Danita, hey Danita, is adding a little bit of hair, and this is definitely going to help elongate, what's the word? Not elongate.
Make the style last longer.
Thank you, Danita. This is gonna make the style last longer. How you like that? So that's what we're doing. It's pretty simple. It doesn't take a long time. You all know the top of my hair is the part that it's gray, as you can tell. It's a little thinner, but it's growing. So adding the hair will definitely give it some thickness and definitely help to make the style last a few weeks. And I am returning to the gym like on another level. I'm doing a bodybuilding competition. Yes, I did say that. Yes, I said it. So I'm going to be sweating even more. So I needed something to maintain this hair as I'm exercising. So here we go. So Danita is just getting the hair parted straight, and she's gonna add this hair. And this is a quick and easy style. I don't even think it will take more than 30 minutes to do.